Hi, I'm Chef Gail Sokol and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to adorn one of my recipes for yellow cupcakes, and it's amazing, and you're going to get a link so you can see the video and get the recipe. And we are going to make a pink champagne raspberry cupcake. So we're going to take this little unadorned cupcake and we are going to embellish it and really make it shine so people go by and go, oh, I have to have that. It's absolutely scrumptious looking, and it really is. So before I get started, I want you to click that notification button because I want you to become a subscriber. I don't want you to miss any of my tips or videos. I'd say they're pretty good, and I actually love more than anything, I love having you in my kitchen with me because I love baking with you. So, yellow cupcakes. These are beautiful yellow cupcakes. They are yellow cupcakes because they're made with the entire egg and they're scrumptious and moist and light. So I made standard cupcakes and I am going to fill them with a stabilized whipped cream. I took a few cups of heavy cream and I beat that with about almost a cup of sour cream. All right, not light, not low fat, not fat free, but sour cream. You can use yogurt, and that stabilizes it because the sour cream is a cultured dairy product that will actually denature some of the proteins in the heavy cream and actually make it sort of stay a little bit longer so it doesn't weep on you. So I beat that up to stiff peaks, all right, and I filled a pastry bag with that, and then I made my beautiful pink champagne buttercream. And that's what's in my other beautiful pastry bag. And again, I have a video and a recipe on that, and you'll get links. All right, so here are my cupcakes all ready to go. I feel like a surgeon and I'm ready to do the surgery. So I took a very large plain tip. You can do anything you want. You could use a little cup. You could use a little tiny measuring cup, whatever you want. And I'm going to go in and make an incision into the center, and I'm just going to go down, not all the way, and I'm going to rotate it, okay? I'm trying to make an opening, so, and I'm going to take a knife so I can cut that off, and I have a little bowl so I can put the excess. That's for me for later. I love it. So I'm going to make a little hole in each one, like that, a little space, and then I'm going to take about a teaspoon of raspberry preserves. You can do seeded, you can do seedless. All right, put that in there. And then I'm going to take my whipped cream, and that's in my plain tip. You can even take a large freezer bag and cut the corner off and use that. And I'm just going to fill that with whipped cream. And you can fill it right up to the top because we're going to cover it with our pink champagne buttercream. So we're going to make a big rosette on there. Just going to go around. Oh, wow. Look at that. Make it nice and high and big and go, wow. And what are you going to top it off with? A fresh raspberry, of course. So I've got these gorgeous fresh raspberries. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. So I am going to continue doing this. I'm going to do another one for you and show you. So I'm going to take my plain tip or my little tiny circle. It could be a cookie cutter, whatever you wanted, and go in there. Okay. And then I'm going to take a little bit of raspberry preserves. We're going to go right in. You don't want to go all the way to the bottom because you really don't want it to leak out when somebody opens up that cupcake out of that liner. And I've got a lot of cream in there. Yum. And now we're here for our pink champagne. Here we go, around and around. Oh my goodness, and around. And now top it off. And that is what you have as your beautiful pink champagne raspberry cupcake. These are lovely. I'm going to continue doing these. I may eat a few. You would like to chill them because they will be beautiful when people open them and cut them open. They are going to be gorgeous. I cannot wait to show you what they look like inside. I hope you become a subscriber. I hope you make these beautiful cupcakes. Until next time.